Hi friends, I am Thirak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on the dark mode on your Google DOS PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So you just need to enable the dark mode on Google DOS. It's so easy. So first, if you're on Chrome, it's easier to enable the dark mode. So I'm just going to show how to enable dark mode on Google DOS on your Chrome. So you just need to type this on your URL so you can see clearly. You just need to type as Chrome semicolon / flags semicolon. So you just here you just type this on Chrome and just click on the enter option. You can see there is an called experiments. This is the secret hidden setting for your Chrome. You just need to search as dog here. So after searching as dog, you just need to enable the dark mode here. So after clicking, you just need to relaunch the Chrome. Just click here. So now you can see everything has been changed to dark. This changes will not only change the Google DOS, but also in every website and everything on the Google Chrome will be on dark mode. So this is the secret setting to enable the dark mode on your Google DOS, and you can use this option on a thing, and if you want it you can use it, or if you don't want, just skip this. So this is a way to enable the dark mode on Google DOS, and this will apply all the things that are in for an example. You can see everything here has been on dark mode. So you can try this option to enable the dark mode on Google DOS.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google DOS, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable Google DOS content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.